So next we can see the voltage division technique. Okay. So what is voltage division technique means? We want to apply the voltage division rule. So in order to apply the voltage division rule, there should be two resistors. Okay, two resistor, and it can be applied only in the series circuit. Series circuit la da nama voltage division rule apply panna mudiyum. ஓகே ஸோ அதே மாதிரி வோல்டேஜஸ், ஸோ இதில் உள்ள வோல்டேஜஸ் வந்து நமக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் இன் சீரீஸ் சர்க்யூட் த வோல்டேஜ் வில் பி டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் சீரீஸ் சர்க்யூட் only you can apply the voltage division rule. Can you understand? So now if you see this circuit, it is a series circuit. Okay, it is from series circuit, that is it form a loop, that is a closed circuit. So now how you can find the voltage division rule here? So now see here, the voltage along the resistor R1 is V1. Voltage along the resistor R2 is V2. So what is the V1 voltage? Voltage எப்படி find பண்ணா? Total voltage. So what is the total voltage? So this is the total voltage. So total voltage into, okay, not plus, into the corresponding resistance value. Corresponding resistance means if you want to find V1 means in V1 what is the resistance value? R1. So that R1 value divided by sum of the resistance, that is R1 plus R2. Similarly, in order to find V2, you want to substitute V2, the total resistance is V. Okay, total resistance value is V, and what is the total resistance? V or Vt. You can substitute, and what is the corresponding resistance value? R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So it is the voltage division technique. You want to apply the voltage division rule only in the series circuit. Okay, only in the series circuit you can apply the voltage division rule, and because for series circuit only the voltage will differ. Okay, the voltage will differ. So we can see one problem. Okay, so now we have taken one series circuit, and here the current flow is I and the voltage is 10 volt. Here there are two resistors, so you can easily in order to find V1, so here the V1 is voltage along 4 ohm resistor, and V2 is voltage along 6 ohm resistor. So in order to find V1 and V2, you can apply the voltage division rule. Voltage drop along the resistor, find பண்ணனும் என்ன apply பண்ணலாம்? Voltage division rule. So what is the voltage across 4 ohm resistor? V1 is total voltage is 10 into the corresponding resistance value, and the V1 இருக்கிற resistance value. Okay, so what is that? 4 ohm. So 4 divided by total resistance, 4 plus 6. Okay, so now after cancelling you got 4 volt. And next, similarly, in order to find V2, total voltage 10. So corresponding resistance V2 irukka resistance value is 6 divided by 4 plus 6, which is equal to 60 plus 10, 6 volt. Okay, so it is voltage division technique.